we're going to introduce this little fella right here. There's a little plus sign right on top. This is the positive increment plug. You'll notice it has the headphone jack, and inside of each one of these knobs you have a little receiver for this headphone jack. You can actually take this and plug it into different parts of pods to actually increase that one specific line of code. It'll increase it by default of 1. So what we could do is we could minimize. We have our loop set to 4.
3, 4.
We have 1 play pod.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Set at twinkle 1, and we can up the increment of the sounds. If I plug it into the sound selection knob, we're going to keep this at 1 times speed, and we'll take this longer one to finish off that loop. So right now it's going to loop 4 times this 1 play pod, but each time it goes through the loop it's going to increase this sound selection by 1.
Thread 1 twinkle, twinkle. Loop 4 times. Play count up from twinkle 1 for 1 times speed. End loop. End thread.
So this might be a good time to reflect with the participants and ask, what do you think it'll sound like? Will it do twinkle, 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 or will it do twinkle, twinkle, little star? You can have them guess and then take
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Take time to see what it actually does. So it went through 4 times. If I were to move this up
5,
to 8,
6, 7, 8.
It is going to do the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star twice because there's only 4 selections in this sound line right here.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
So this only goes from 1 to 4, and if it wants to go any more above 4, it'll just revert back to 1. So this is an easy way to do a loop, adding in some math to make the play area with all the play pods a little less busy.